Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be solving another problem from LeetCode. So the problem is called employees earning more than their managers. So we have a table employee and these are the columns and we have to write a solution to find the employees who earn more than their managers. So let's take a look at the example. So this is the employee table. We have ID, name, salary and manager ID. So if you look at here, so the name of the employee is Joe. His salary is 70K. And then we have manager ID 3. So that means Sam is the manager of Joe and Sam's salary is 60,000. So Joe's salary is more than his manager. So that's why we got Joe in the output. Then if we look at Henry, Henry's salary is 80,000 and his manager ID is 4. 4 means max and max salary is 90,000. So that means Henry's salary is less than his manager's salary. So that's why we don't have Henry in the output. For Sam and Max, we don't have the manager ID. So that's why we don't have them in the output as well. So the explanation is Joe is the only employee who earns more than his manager. That's why we got Joe in the output. So we will solve this problem using self-join. So let me show you how we can do that. So, so this is the input table, employee table. So let's alias it as E. So now if I just copy this table, because we will be joining the table with itself. And we will alias this new table with M, that is manager details. And this is the employee table, let's call it. So now what we will do is, we will perform the join. So as you can see here, for Joe, if we do join on e.manager ID and m.id. So e.manager ID is 3 and m.id is 3 here. So we'll get Sam and 60K in the table. So let me write that. So let's suppose we have e.employee name and e.salary, that is employee salary, then m.name and m.salary. So these two columns will be filled from this M table and these two columns will be filled from E table. So we are creating this new table by joining these two tables. So let's move here. So Joe, so the employee name is Joe and salary is 70K. So if we look at here, since we are joining on 3, so 3 is matching here. So we will get Sam in the output. And Sam's salary is 60K. Now let's go to Henry, 80K. That is the employee. And then the manager is 4. So if we do the join, so 4 is matching here. So we'll get Max as the manager of Henry and his salary is 90K. But we will be doing the inner join, so only the matching rows will come. So we'll get this as the output because Sam and Max does not have any managers. We don't have any matching keys, right? So this will be the output. So now what we will do is after getting this, we will just write a condition where e.salary is greater than m.salary and we will get the output. So now let's see this in action. So what we will do is we will do a select and let me write the tables first. From employee, let's call this E and we will do a join on again with the table itself and let's alias it as M. And we will do the join on as I shown you e.manager ID is equal to m.id. And from these two tables, what we want is we want e.name, e.salary, that is employee name, employee salary, m.name and m.salary. E.name, e.salary, m.name and m.salary. So now let's run this. So this is the output. As you can see, we got the output. Now we will just write a simple condition. We will do select e.name and we will remove this and where e.salary is greater than m.salary. Now let's run this again. And the name should be employee. So let me copy this. select e.name as employee. So the test case is accepted. Now let's submit the solution. And it passed. So I hope you guys understood. So the only thing to learn here is how we have done the self join here, with that is a join of the table with itself. And after that, we just applied a simple where condition. So, but if you still have any doubts or if you have any better solution, you can post that in the comment section, and I will paste the link to the question in the description so you can also practice. Thank you.